Don't run away. I won't hurt you. I'm awfully sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you. But you don't know what I've been through. What do you do when things go wrong? Oh, you sing a song. Because I was afraid. I'm so ashamed of the fuss I've made. I really feel quite happy now. I'm sure I'll get along somehow. Everything is going to be all right. But I do need a place to sleep at night. I can't sleep in the ground like you.
How can you be here? Am I dreaming? Come on, say something.
Maybe you know where I can stay. In the woods somewhere? I said, how do you do?
How do you do what?
Oh, you can talk! I'm so glad! Now don't tell me who you are. Let me guess. And you must be...
Happy, ma'am. That's me. And this is Dopey. He don't talk none.
You mean he can't talk?
He don't know. He never tried.
Oh, that's